Let's check how to solve this problem. Contains duplicate. Given an integer array nums, we should return true if any value appears twice in array, and return false if every element is distinct. So as we can see in this example, the one is repeated, so the output should be true. Here in example 2, no item is repeated, so we return false. In example 3, like we have many numbers that are repeated, so we return true. Now, how can we solve this problem? Our given is an array of integers. So default solution for this should be like we make nested for loops, and we check for every item if it is repeated for the rest of the array, but this should result in O of n squared, O of n squared complexity. So what is the solution? How can we provide like more efficient solution? The thing here is that by like reducing time complexity, we can increase space complexity and having a more efficient time complexity. How can we like adjust this and increase the space complexity? By using either hash map or set. And let's think about it. What is shortest solution for this, or the most efficient? What do we know about set? Set is a data structure that handles or stores unique elements. So if there is any repetition, it just won't add repeated numbers or items. So if like we took this array and put it into a set, it will remove the repeated parts. So the size will be difference between the set and the array, and by this we can know for sure if it contains duplicate or not, without looping on every item or any nested loops. So by this we reduced time complexity. We will just have O of n to move elements of array to set, and then we can know for sure if there is duplicates or not. So we can solve this of O of n for time complexity and O of n for space complexity. Let's write the solution. We can solve this in just one line. We can say return new set, and we can give it the nums array, and then access its size and make sure that it won't be equal to nums.length, and that's it. If you run, it should pass test cases and we can submit our answer. Thank you for listening.